Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome. If you prefer a sleek and stylish look while browsing the web, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in step 1. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Now, we need to access a special page in Chrome called Chrome Flags. To do this, simply copy and paste the following link into a new tab. Chrome/flags #enable force dark. This will take you directly to the experimental features section. Step 3. Once you're on the flags page, look for the option labeled Force Dark Mode for Web Contents. It might be a bit down the page, so feel free to use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select the Enabled option. Step 4. After selecting Enabled, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser to apply the changes. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Relaunch button. Make sure to save any important work before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Google Chrome. Now, when you relaunch Chrome, you'll notice that websites and web content will appear in a stylish dark theme, providing a more immersive browsing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy browsing in dark mode.